Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to enable other notifications on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, especially after the recent update. Staying updated with all notifications helps you manage your page more effectively and never miss important interactions. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile photo. Click on your profile picture to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can customize your Facebook experience. Next, you'll find a list of options on the left side or center area, depending on your screen layout. Click on Notifications to open the notification preferences. Within the Notifications section, locate and select Other Notifications. This control panel lets you manage notifications that don't fall under the main categories, but are equally important. Finally, find the option labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook and toggle it on to enable these notifications for your page. Activating this feature ensures you receive alerts for a broader range of activities related to your page, keeping you fully informed. That's it. By following these easy steps, you'll make sure you don't miss any important updates or interactions on your Facebook page. Enabling other notifications can help you respond faster to comments, messages, and other page activities, improving your engagement and overall management. If you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to explore other settings within Facebook to customize your experience even further. Thanks for watching.